Lives of great men always remind us. We make our lives sublime, departing leave behind us, footprints on the sands of time. Today, I feel an honor to narrate a story about a man who grew up with courage, who worked hard day and night, who put out Muslim from the life of slavery, which they live in Hindustan. He is a man of sky-high personality with an exemplary character, distinctive deeds, unwilling beggars, unique talent. Muslim history is prepared with great leader. Allama Iqbal is the brightest star of this galaxy. I will always remember him who served as a role model for the young generation to come. He is like a guiding star, provide direction to the people of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal was born in Sialkot on 9 November 1877. He was an intelligent student. After his graduation, he saw a Muslim of subcontinent who strove for freedom of British rule in India. He fought for the rights of Muslims. He was a great freedom fighter who showed Muslims the way of positive Pakistan. He was a dynamic leader and great philosopher who showed the way of that Pakistan in which Muslims live according to the rule of Islam and become Islamic state all over the world. Nigah-e-buland, sarnawaz, dil nijan hokar, यही है सफरे तख्त मेरे कारवां होकर. And the Allama Iqbal served his nation, and he did not listen the advice of his doctor to take rest and die on 11 September 1938. But he will always live in the hearts of Pakistan. However, it's some in the words of Allama Iqbal, I am a hidden meaning made to delay the gaps of word and walk with wills free and destiny as living revolutionary clay. Thank you.